It's Mike music.
Run that shit.
Get it bouncy. Get it bouncy. Get it bouncy. Get it bouncy. Fine girls, they be feeling my space. Fine boy, they be looking at me. Less than them when I'm looking so clean. Nigeria boy, I be looking so fine.
This is proof that my skincare routine is working.
What's your skincare routine?
I fluctuate between a combination of Yo Black soap, Neutrogena Hydro Boost, and then I also have a black soap exfoliator that I do once a week.
Boy, I be looking so clean. When I come through, they be looking at me. Look so good in my heart, that's so. But these pussy niggas wanna flex with me. I'm so good that I'm real like I'm so bad that I'm cute like Like I'm back home when I hit in your post. Hitting their hoes, I be spinning freakies. That's the pussy nigga when he's sitting on me. Everybody talk, but they coming for me. All these niggas tryna wanna be me, yeah. I'ma let you know this is easy, yeah. Every station, every city, everywhere you go. As a girl she listen to, she say it's ass. She say get it bouncing and I love your pose, everything you do me. She say I love your flow cause it's heavy. She like the way I put her on a steady. Say but head in her bed, she be moving. Whoa, yeah. I'm so good that I'm real like I'm so bad that I'm pure like That I'm back home when I hitting that post. Hitting that hoes, I'm spinning freakies. That's the pussy nigga when he's sitting on me. Everybody talk, but they coming for me. All these niggas tryna wanna be me, yeah. I'ma let you know this.
Hey y'all, so we just made it to the winery. Today is actually Sunday. So I am actually in DC, about to meet up with my girls. It is a bright sunshiny day. When I woke up this morning, I definitely didn't think that it was gonna get this bright. This is my outfit of the day. I got this from my sister's closet, some white skinny jeans and some white sandals, and then I have this crossbody bag right here. So that's the outfit, and then I just put my hair in this little wrap bun because I don't know what to do with my hair. I've been actually wearing my wigs, but I was just like, honey, it is too hot. So I've been putting my wig on and then just putting my headband on like over the front, so I don't have to like glue it and spray it and gel it down. It is so cute over here. I should have Ubered from the parking deck to the restaurant because This is a hike. My lash on right, y'all. When I say Easy Company outdid themselves, they outdid themselves. Now I need to figure out how to get out this parking deck, because girl, it is hot. It is hot, and I ain't trying to put my AC on because y'all know that run your gas out faster. But I might have to. I'm gonna see what it's like once I move this car, because we are under this garage and it's very, very stuffy under here. But we are about to go to the next destination. Y'all, when I tell you, I'm freaking tired. I'm freaking tired. I'm so tired.
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
Stop telling our business.